What's up, gang? It's been a while. Been really busy at work. I'm trying my best to get you guys these videos. I just hadn't had time. This is my peak season. I'm trying to get back to it. So I'll show you what I'm doing today. I'm about to get this bike rack installed on my truck. Finally getting a chance to go pick the bike up. We got Saul right here.
What's going on? What's going on, Corey?
Just in time.
Welcome to the store. We got the UT, man.
Oh, y'all got UT, baby.
We got Maisie. We got Nate.
How you doing?
We got Owen.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are you?
Doing all right. So Owen's going to explain what happened to my bike.
All right, so inside a dropper seat post, there's a channel that controls the way the stanchion, the upper part of the dropper seat post moves. So essentially that channel was disfigured. So it caused the dropper seat post to not behave properly. So we got that channel replaced and it's behaving like it should now.
Number one mechanic right here.
I don't know about that, but thank you.